Anuna Education Network Private Limited presenting the introductory e-learning courses. Define your future with our job-oriented courses. Designed by the industry experts team. Grow your skill and find your perfect course. High-quality animated video and live doubt clearance session with the industry expert team. Explore our most popular courses. These courses will help you to prepare for the industry need. Anuna introduced the self-employed e-tailer and account executive. The e-tailer will mainly focus on the working of e-commerce operations and account executive will be focused on the accounting operation. Accounts payable and accounts receivable are the modules under the account executive. The course will provide the students a better flexibility, convenience, cost-effective, interactive classes, updated course content and doubt clear with the industry expert team. The courses will be exclusively available on the anuna.in. Enroll your course now.